Hello and welcome to the class, everyone. So today we are going to see about a network connection. Add a network connection. How we are going to adding a network connectivity to our system. So for those things, if you want to go ahead, nmcli command will be helpful for us in order to do the creation or addition of the network connection. So nmcli command will give you the information also. nmcli console Con means connections. So it will show you the connections which is created within your systems with the device name. On the left hand side, if you check, these are showing you the connections, and this is the type, this is the UUID, and in the last, there is a device name ENS160, ENS224, and LO, which is the loopback address. So these are the devices, and these are the connections on the left hand side. If you want to create a new connection, then the nmcli command will be helpful for you. So if you want to check mostly for the device information, the command which is helping you to gather the device information is nmcli dev status. nmcli dev status help you to gather the device information. So the device right now is showing you on the left hand side, connectivity or connections on the right hand side. If you want to create network connections, then nmcli we are going to use. So it having some syntax in order to create it. nmcli con add, then con name. Right now you have to give a name for the connection. So what's the name you can mention? We are going to create for the ENS. So ENS224, then the name. We can make a name, a unique name you can give. So it will be easy to identify. We are going to give the ENS224 night. Then you have to mention what is the type. So basically all these things we have created for the Ethernet connectivity, and it is ENS. So we are going to give the Ethernet. Type is Ethernet. After mentioning the type, we are going to mention if name. If name is representing the device. So what is the device you are going to take? You are going to take the ENS224. So just mention ENS224. After mentioning the if name, which is ENS224, we are going to mention the other data. Other data just like IPv4 dot addresses. Then you have to mention the IPv4 address which you have or which you get. Just like we are taking 192.168.165 and slash 24. It is IPv4 dot addresses. Then we are mentioning IPv4 dot gateway. In the IPv4 dot gateway, what the information we are mentioning? 192.168, then dot 0 dot 254. Mention it. After mentioning all those information, you can mention about the methodology which we are using. So IPv4 dot method, and it will be manual because you are giving all the data manual. So it will be IPv4 dot method will be manual. After mentioning all those information, if the information is accurate, if information is fine, then just hit enter and your connection is adding successfully. After adding the connection successfully, it is not basically activated. So we are going to reload the connection, nmcli con reload. So we are reloading the connections. Then if you want to gather the information, go ahead and apply nmcli console. If you check nmcli console on the left hand side, the connections ENS160, ENS224, Yasraj, LO, Afred, class, multiple. Among all of them, there is ENS224 night. Important point about these things is that at one time from multiple connections. Any one connection can connected with your device ENS224. So right now it is connected with ENS224. Yes, Raj. If you want to check your IP, you can check with IP-BR ADDR. So basically, you have two IPs. One IP relate to ANS 160, which is 192.168.188.149. In the same way, ENS 224 having the IP 192.168.188.160.164. Right now, we are just changed. So after changing with new connection, first you have to make it activate. For making the activation, the command will be nmcli con up and the name ENS224, then night nmcli. Yes, sorry. So we are just mentioned the wrong name. It will be nmcli con up with ENS224, not 244. Then night. Now it is activated successfully. After activation successfully, just reload nmcli con reload, and after it just check nmcli con show. Now you can check that with the device ENS224, at the previous time it is connected with ENS224, yes Raj, but right now it is connected with ENS224 night. If you want to check what the new IP is connected with your system, you can go ahead with typing IP-BR ADR. So right now you can check that 192.168.188.165 is new IP address which is associated with your system. If you want to ping 192.168.188.165, you are getting the ping also. So this is the way that you are going to create a connection. You are adding a network connection in your system. So that's all for today, guys. We will meet again in next video. Thank you.